Hello, I'm here. Today I want to introduce a video of Tridosha, Ayurvedic medicine. So I came here up in the mountain because I want to show you this. The ocean, the sea, and the stones, the earth. Remember, water and earth are related to Kapha dosha. And if you look up the sky, you can see the clouds, the air, the movement. This is related to Vata dosha. And if you look here up, is the sun somewhere there? Is better because today is a little bit hidden. This is Pitta, the fire, right? So I made a video of 1 hour. It's a long video about Tridosha related to the Vedic planet, a little bit also. Is one of the video I prepared for the teacher training course of Vinyasa here in Thailand, in Kopangan. They are the theory classes, so I want to share it with you. Here down is the video, the link, so enjoy it and have a beautiful day of today. Ciao!